Are you ready to perform at your highest potential? Welcome to the Performance Matters podcast from GP Strategies, your talent transformation partner. In each episode, we'll interview industry experts and explore best practices and innovative insights to help your organization improve performance.
What are some of the key roles within this delivery function that you've seen that are needed to really support this ecosystem of a digital learning experience?
Yes. So, to begin, people hear the word digital and they think, oh, someone just hits the on button on a platform and participants will sign on and will be instantly engaged and knowledgeable in minutes.
Sorry, that was my evil laugh there. Forgive me.
Well, there is a lot that goes behind the scenes.
That's not what happens, Fran?
No.
Okay. Well, give us the dirt.
I wish it was. No, there's a lot that goes on behind the scenes to implement a successful digital delivery. Our digital journey incorporates different modalities, as Megan just mentioned, in a range of interactive or semi-synchronous options. One aspect to the success of the digital learning journey is having the right delivery team members in place. It's important to take a step back to identify the roles needed and any gaps you might have in your current infrastructure. When learners think of delivery, they instantly think of, again, logging into a virtual classroom, perhaps maybe Zoom, or attending a face-to-face workshop or program. So when in the design and development phase, it's important that the delivery functions be top of mind, to consult on the delivery aspects of the experience, like, for instance, how will communications be delivered? What concepts do you want to discuss during those live events? And how do we engage the learners? So the delivery team stays closely connected also to the project management team throughout the implementation and delivery. The project and program management team help to make sure all components are organized and coordinated so that the learning experience flows smoothly. We run a number of large delivery implementations, Megan and I, with a lot of moving parts. I'm so grateful for our project managers because I could never keep it all on track, and they really keep us on the straight and narrow. So, besides, your project management team, some of the roles that are crucial, for delivering, are the moderator, platform administrator, and a facilitator or coach.
Okay, so you have a lot of different roles involved in this. And like you said, this is not just, let's put up, 10 web-based trainings and call it a day, right? You have to have people that are managing the project, thinking about ensuring that the learners, the audience, the constituents are ready, that they know what to expect. You need people that are moderating if something is semi-synchronous. You need individuals that are coaching and doing all of, if it's FaceTime or even, like you said, managing chat threads and everything like that. So Fran, I'm going to ask you a follow-up question here, and that would be, how do some of these team members, let's just laser in on the moderator and the facilitator and coach, how do they help create an engaging digital learning experience? Like, what are you seeing are the keys to success there?
Yeah, the moderators and in our digital journeys, let's call the facilitator or coach, we call them coach.
Okay.
And our coaches are critical to creating an engaging experience. They bring the heart, and it's important, the human element to, this experience. So for instance, the moderator helps to make sure that the learners engage with with each other through discussion threads on the platform. The moderator is also in charge of seeding, feeding, and weeding. I do a lot of gardening. Using those analogies.
I like that. That's a great analogy.
Yes, discussions. And they're the point of contact for learners to help support and encourage participation. Also, the moderator sometimes acts as a platform administrator, but we also have platform administrators, and they'll be able to access reporting within the LXP. And this will help to see how the learners are engaging with the content and whether they're on track throughout the experience. And then the coaches, they're our trusted advisors. The coach spends weeks in the platform with the learners. They need to engage the learners in discussions, provide feedback, and encourage insight and reflection. They are experts, in understanding the content, and they also create a virtual community where the learners are connected to the coach and to each other during this journey.
The Performance Matters podcast is brought to you by GP Strategies. Together, we can create a world where business excellence makes possibilities achievable. You can subscribe to the show anywhere you get podcasts or listen on our website at gpstrategies.com.